In this tutorial we will show you how to install WooCommerce extensions. You could view the available extensions by hovering WooCommerce from the left side menu of your admin panel, and then clicking Extensions. Note that you would need a WooCommerce subscription to install extensions. You could make such a subscription by going to the WooCommerce subscriptions section and then clicking Connect. After the connection is complete, you could go back to the Extensions section. If you wish to install an extension, you should first purchase it by clicking on the purple button under the particular extension. Then you would be given a download link, and once you have downloaded the extension, you could install it from the plugins section of your admin panel. Add new. And then upload plugin.